Okay, so it's starting to thunderstorm.
I'll put it.
I have a hypothesis. I say one of these giant sparklers can stay lit up in the rain.
I don't think so.
David doesn't think so. Well.
Oh, dragonfly. Oh, man.
Oh, no, we got a dragonfly trapped.
Oh. Shoot.
Well, it's gonna be okay. They probably like the rain. Okay, let's set it up. It's starting to rain already. And we're gonna light it up and see if the rain is gonna put it out or if it's strong enough of a flame to stay lit in the rain. Did you see the thunder and the lightning? Yeah, look at those clouds.
Okay,
wow.
light it up.
Hold on. Okay, let's... Ooh, I don't know if you can even light it up in this wind and rain. Okay. It's starting to rain. A lot. Okay. Starting to rain. Oh, it's raining. It's going. Look at that.
It's not going down.
Oh, look, it's raining. Do you see the rain?
Yeah. Oh, get out, get out, get out.
Look, but it's still lit up. Okay. It's not totally pouring. Oh, it's starting to pour. Uh-oh. It's still going. How cool.
When it gets to the bottom, it's going to stop.
Well, yeah, but the rain doesn't stop. But look how cool. Ку-ку. А что ты тут оттираешься? You want to get closer?
Oh, quick! Look at it! It's starting to go down.
Yeah, but the rain is not putting it out. Look, it's raining. Yeah, okay. I was right. The rain didn't put it out. Ooh, it's raining. Ow, 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 ow.
It did put out.
By itself, not by the rain. Whoa. It's really coming down.
Try another one.
Okay. Well, how about we try this TNT flashing fountain? It fell down. It fell down. Oh, is it gonna pop? And the smoke just flew. Look at the smoke. It's coming back. Ooh. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, which one are we gonna try? Oh, that one is empty. Oh, we used a lot of them. How about this lightning flash? How about we try the amazing fountain? Okay, let's try this one. I did it pretty okay in the rain. Done? Staying inside?
Yeah.
Okay.